Ever tried connecting your Android phone to a computer only to realize it won't recognize your device? If you want to transfer files, install custom software, or use ADB commands, you need to enable USB debugging. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable USB debugging on any Android device, plus a hidden trick to make sure your computer detects your phone properly. Let's get started. USB debugging is a hidden feature inside developer options that allows your Android phone to communicate with a computer. It is essential for transferring files, installing apps outside the Play Store, using ADB commands, and even rooting or unlocking your device. By default, USB debugging is turned off for security reasons, but enabling it is quick and easy. To enable USB debugging, you first need to unlock developer mode on your Android device. To enable developer mode on any Android device, start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Look for the Build Number option, which is usually near the bottom of the screen. Tap Build Number 7 times in a row. After a few taps, you'll see a message saying, "You are now X steps away from being a developer." Keep tapping until developer mode is fully activated. Once done, you may be asked to enter your device's lock screen password to confirm the change. After enabling developer mode, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to find a new section called Developer Options. If it's not visible, you may need to check under System and then tap Developer Options, depending on your phone model. Inside Developer Options, scroll down until you find USB Debugging, then toggle it on. A pop-up will appear, warning that USB debugging is meant for advanced users. Tap OK to confirm. Once USB debugging is enabled, your phone will be able to communicate with a computer for advanced file transfers, app installations, and ADB commands. If you are trying to connect your phone to a PC and it is not being recognized, make sure you use a high-quality USB cable and select File Transfer or USB Debugging mode from the notification that appears when you plug in your device. For developers and advanced users, enabling USB debugging allows access to ADB, Android Debug Bridge, a tool that lets you control your phone from a computer. You can use ADB to install apps, take full device backups, remove bloatware, or even control your phone remotely. To use ADB, install Android SDK platform tools on your computer and run the command ADB devices to check if your phone is detected. If you see a prompt asking to allow USB debugging from this computer, tap Always Allow to avoid seeing this message every time you connect your phone. Enabling USB debugging is essential for anyone who wants to fully control their Android phone from a computer. Whether you are a developer, a power user, or just need to transfer files, USB debugging gives you the access you need. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Otherwise, the next time you need USB debugging, you'll be right back here searching again. See you in the next one.